Jyoti here. I am from Elite IIT. We are here to help you how to fill the Sainik application form of 2026. Online submission application form starts from 10th October to 30th October till 5 p.m. So exam fees for general, OBC, defense or ex-serviceman is 850. SC/ST categories are having fees of 700. Let's discuss the eligibility of appearing this exam. For admission to Sainik School Class 6, candidate must be in between 10 to 12 years. Which means the candidate should born between 1st April 2014 to 31st March 2016. Now for the admission for Sainik School Class 9, the candidate should be in between 13 to 15 years. It means born between 1st April 2011 to 31st March 2013. Now let's discuss the document required for this registration. First thing is scanned copy of child photograph. Second thing is child signature. Third thing is child's left hand thumb impression. Fourth one is date of birth certificate. Fifth one is Aadhaar card, child father and mother's. Sixth one is domicile certificate. Seventh one is caste certificate. OBC, SC/ST category student need to submit. It is not compulsory for general category student. Eighth one is servicing certificate if the child father is serving in Army, Air Force or Navy, or PPO for ex-serviceman. Ninth one is school studying certificate only for the student studying in new Sainik school.
Unlock your potential. Join our coaching program today. Keep learning. Keep growing with us at AISSEE IIT Coaching Center. Your success is our mission. Subscribe for more information.